Hi everyone. So today is May 6th. It's the third day of 100k in 100 days trading challenge. Today we did the trade at Bajaj Financial Services. The opening price was at 4647. The closing price is at 4629. The highest it has been is at 4789 and the lowest is at 4542. We started the trade somewhere around 9:17. It was a short selling of 100 quantities, and in the next 13 minutes, 13 to 15 minutes, we are able to take a profit of 3,400. We did it in different batches, and again we did another short selling around 9:50, and this one took the entire day again because we did it in different batches as the prices kept going down. So overall, the profit for today was 6,130 from the Bajaj Financial Services, and the other ones that you see are CNC deliveries. The gold ETF was just added to balance my portfolio, and the most interesting one which I saw for today was Arnold Holdings, which I brought it like sometime long back. The reason I wanted to tell you about this is the stock price for Arnold Holdings has gone up by 380 percentage. So basically I brought the stock for somewhere around 6 rupee and now it's trading around 32 rupee. So more or less you get a profit of around 25 rupees per share. I just wanted to sell one. I wouldn't be selling more as I am not really sure what caused the sudden increase in price. I will be doing more research about it and will update you more about that. As I said, this is not about the delivery trades, it's just about intraday trading. So I wanted to keep the focus only with the intraday trading that we are doing, as that is the part of this challenge. So today we have traded and the profit is at 6130, and for the last 2 days we have been positive, and the total profit from last 2 days is at 6552, and the total amount is now at 12,682, and this is the day 3 of the 100-day challenge. And Nifty 50 closed at 9270 for today.